Welcome to Tech Notice, guys. Yes, it is time to unbox another one of the lenses. Okay, straight to the point because I've been waiting for this moment for a long time. If you're interested in seeing a review of this lens, then subscribe and the review of this lens will come soon. But let's open it up. You probably already know what's inside because you have read the title. I hope it's not damaged because, can you see this? Over there. There's like a cut on the box. Okay, there it is. 90mm f2.8 Macro G OSS. Nice little orange box like before. So what do we have inside? We have some literature. Inside here is some operating instructions and warranty things and stuff like that. Okay, this to keep the lens not moving. Comes in a pouch like that. Very nicely packed. Okay, and here it is. Whoa, this is bigger than I thought. Wow, that's amazing. You've got the lens inside and then the lens hood. That's it. This is the nice little leather pouch that says Sony on it. The lens hood has got no waves this time. It's just a straight lens hood. Okay, let's have a look at the lens. I know this was the unboxing of the lens and I'm not going to talk in detail about the lens. The lens review will come soon, but just a few things about the lens. It's got a 62mm thread on the lens. It has got focus hold or customizable button, I think. I'm not sure because I haven't checked it yet. Then you've got this switch here that basically changes the focus, whether it's going to be autofocus for the full distance or is it going to be for the normal distance or macro distance basically. And then if you want the optical steady shot off or on, and that's basically it. Now, it wouldn't be a proper unboxing if you can't see some shots made with this lens. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe. Videos are coming out every single week, and here's some shots with this lens.